If you're ready to see my key outfits for larger bellies, let's get into it. My goal with getting dressed is never to hide my body. So these outfits aren't meant to hide your belly, but rather dress around the belly. As always, the links for the clothes mentioned and dupes for thrifted items or items that are out of stock are always in the description box below. I wanted to start things off with one of my go-to pieces for dressing my apple-shaped body. That is an A-line skirt. An A-line skirt or dress is a wonderful cut for women with apple-shaped bodies. One skirt that I love to wear is a skater skirt. This A-line skirt cinches in at the waist, giving you definition before it flares out. It's loose on the belly and also shows off your legs. Apple-shaped ladies usually have really long legs, so this type of skirt will help you show them off and draw attention to the legs and not the belly. For this outfit, I went with a black skater skirt from Amazon. It's one of my favorites and I have it in several colors. If you're not one for shorter skirts, an A-line midi skirt will work as well. I wanted to keep it simple, so I paired this skirt with a white bodysuit that shows off the neck and chest area, drawing the eye away from the belly. I added a short denim jacket to add a little bit of fun, a fun third piece if you will, and add a little bit of color to what is pretty much a very neutral outfit. Finishing things off, I went with some platform heels to lengthen those legs, ladies. No, seriously, I'm just really working with my proportions here, playing up my assets and downplaying the belly area. This outfit is all about proportions, which is key when you're dressing your apple-shaped body. It's all about knowing what you want to show and how much of it that you actually want to show. A-line skirts are terrific for women with larger bellies, and this outfit is a great go-to look that uses the A-line cut and is simple to try. It is a must-have for your collection. Another styling tip I use to dress my apple-shaped body is the art of redirection. We want to move the attention away from the tummy area, and we're going to be doing that by wearing elaborate sleeves. No, seriously, the trick makes the person that's looking at you, makes their eyes go to your top half rather than your midsection. So for this trick, I'm going to be using this shirt that has large ruffling around the sleeve area. By doing this, the eye is more drawn to the detail that's on my shirt and not to my belly area. From there, I paired this top with some high-waisted or straight leg jeans in a dark wash. I chose these pants for a few reasons. One, I feel more comfortable in pants that are high-waisted. It pulls all of my little jiggly bits and it pulls all of my little jiggly bits in and doesn't give me that muffin top effect that I get with mid-rise jeans. As for the wash, I picked a dark wash jean to also play with the eye. Dark wash jeans don't show as much as light wash jeans do. So the overall jean choice gives the illusion of smoothness that I don't feel that I would otherwise get if I had a mid-rise jean that was of a lighter color, like a really light wash. It's like I said, it's all about tricking the eye. Redirection is one of my favorite dressing tips. If you have a larger belly, you're gonna hear it a bunch of times, so get ready for that. But it's not about hiding your body, but rather just moving the focal points of where people are staring at and what people can see, and moving their eye to where you want it to be. If you're not crazy about large sleeves, like I said, you can do jewelry or you can do a scarf. Those will work perfect to help do this particular trick. Remember, we're not covering up our bodies. We're just directing people's eyes and attention to where we want their eyes to land. So for this outfit, I'm starting with this fitted ribbed dress. I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. You're wondering why I picked this bodycon style dress, something that is so body forming. I get it. But I picked this dress to show that you can wear these dresses with your apple body. If wearing this alone without anything else, just this dress is not your thing, then you can try creating a silhouette with layering. Much like redirecting, I like to create a silhouette with my clothing. As I've said before, redirecting is about moving the eye away from the midsection and putting it on another focal point. Using something like a wrap type top over the dress creates a completely new silhouette for the eyes to kind of follow. It tricks the eyes into seeing the new outline between the dress and the wrap, and it covers your sides and skims the body to create that new outline. So for this outfit, I went with this floral wrap and a pair of sneakers to keep it casual. You can achieve this same look with leggings or those trendy onesies that everybody is wearing. They're like a onesie leotard situation that everyone is wearing nowadays. Creating a silhouette with your clothing gives you the space to comfortably wear these tighter outfits without feeling like you're so overexposed. These outfits can work for your body too. You just have to learn how to play with them and how to create a silhouette so that you feel comfortable wearing these pieces. When playing with proportions, I take my assets into consideration. Some of the traits of a person with apple-shaped body are that they have longer legs and a fuller bust. So when I'm getting dressed, I take these things into consideration and use these assets to my advantage. Like I said before, a big part of dressing your apple-shaped body is redirection. We want to always move the eye away from the tummy area and to another focal point. While we're redirecting attention, we are also going to play with balance. Basically, I go by the rule that if the top is fuller or baggier, then I'm going to pick a tighter bottom and vice versa. This keeps balance in your look and doesn't make one part of your body appear heavier than it should. Using these tricks, I created this outfit. I started with this bodysuit. The reason I chose the bodysuit is that it has a scoop neckline that shows the chest and the neck. So another reason for picking this top is the smoothing aspect. The top is very form-fitting and has almost a smoothing, slightly compression effect. I always want to smooth my belly area and not show many visible belly lines or lumps and bumps in that area. We are team keep it smooth over here, and that's what we're getting from this top. Smoothing, not hurting compression. Also, the smoothing effect will help with the rest of the building of this outfit. Next, I went with these wide leg trousers. Remember what I said about balance? Well, because I have such a fitted top, I want to go with a looser bottom. I also picked a pair of trousers that are high-waisted and cinch in right at the natural waist. Altogether, this outfit shows how to use balance and redirection to your advantage. Now, I don't always follow these rules. Sometimes I just wear what I want to wear. But when I'm specifically trying to dress my body type, these rules really do come in handy. Choosing what assets you want to show and balancing your outfit around them and redirecting attention can help you create an outfit that will make your body shine. So I'm not really a huge fan of peplum tops. Sometimes they're offered to plus size ladies as like the default choice, especially if you have an apple-shaped body. Not to mention, they're not always the nicest tops. Some of them are just downright ugly. However, there's no denying that when you find the right peplum top, this top is great for apple-shaped bodies. Peplum tops create and define your waist, which sometimes can get lost in our clothing. Also, the dramatic flare out at the bottom of the blouse is very forgiving on the tummy area. With this outfit, I kept it simple and went with this top that is peplum-ish. And it flares out a bit around the tummy while it cinches in at the waist. Also, the neckline area is open, exposing some skin, and yep, you guessed it, redirecting attention. As for the bottom, I went with a tighter pair of jeans. No, the top is not very loose, but because of the flare out at the bottom of the top, I didn't want to go with something that was baggier or had a wider leg. I'm trying to keep balance here. Overall, I wanted to show you a piece of clothing that you can add that will work nicely with your body. I do not suggest you run out and get a lot of peplum tops, but having one in your collection always comes in handy when you're creating your outfits. Dressing your apple-shaped body can be a little tricky at times, but with a few key tips, you can create amazing outfits that make you look and feel great. Remember, it's not about hiding your belly or hiding your body. It's about embracing what you have and working with it to create something that makes you feel beautiful. Don't forget that all the links for clothes used in this video and dupes for thrifted items are in the description box below. While you're down there, why not subscribe and watch this video for more outfit and style tips. Until next time, stay bright, live true, and be vividly you. Bye.